Clean the shower window with this sponge. It will stay clean for 2 weeks. Limescale and residue won't settle. This simple trick saves a lot of cleaning time. Take a regular cleaning sponge. It's important that it's clean and new. Take a dishwasher tablet. Remove the protective foil from it. Then, pull out the protruding ball. Place it on the sponge and cut a rectangle the size of the tablet. Take out the cut sponge and insert the cube in its place. The tablet has a brilliant use for cleaning. The active substances in it work great against limescale and residue. Place the prepared sponge under the water stream. Hold for a moment to soak it well. Clean the dirty shower window with it. No detergents will be needed. With each movement, the tablet will dissolve and remove the residue. Clean the window in circular motions. Then, rinse with running water. A shower cleaned this way will look clean for a longer time. The dishwasher tablet prevents limescale from settling on the glass. Additionally, it shines and protects metal parts. Thanks to this, the bathroom looks like new. The cut sponge is sufficient for several cleanings, making it costs just a few cents.